We had them come in first. The salesperson that came in, I believe his name is Mike, did a great presentation and sold us on it, on how the windows would really eliminate a lot of the heat in the house, and also the protection, of course. So we're really excited to get them installed, and when they came for the installation, and everything went smoothly. It was great. They were really professional. I thought I was going to have a complete mess with how do they get these windows out and put the new ones in, and the furniture, and I thought I was going to be cleaning for a while, but nothing. It was great. They cleaned up. It was quick and easy, painless. I live on such a busy street, and it's so noisy, especially during rush hour time. And with the new windows, I don't hear anything. It's great.